How to watch Premier League on Showmax. I'm going to tell you how to watch the Premier League on Showmax. But it only works if you're subscribed to the right plan. First, go to showmax.com and sign in or create an account. To stream Premier League matches, you need Showmax Pro, not the regular Showmax plan. Showmax Pro includes live sports content from Super Sport, which is where all the Premier League action comes from. Once subscribed, you can stream matches live or catch highlights, replays, and analysis shows. Make sure your internet connection is stable. HD streaming needs at least 5 Mbps. Also, Showmax Pro is only available in selected countries across Africa. So if you're outside the region, it won't work unless you use a VPN. Though that may violate terms of service. If you're eligible, just log in to your preferred device, TV, phone, laptop, and you're good to go.